Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios. Today we're going over all things patio furniture, outdoor furniture, and this is one of our favorite pieces that we found on Amazon. It's actually a five-piece set, and what is really cool about this is that even though you look at it in the picture and you kind of see this sectional couch, you can mix and match that and put it however you want. It gives you so many different options and makes everything really, really flexible. You can have, like the couch all together. You can have each of those three pieces separate for three different chairs. The Ottoman itself can be an extension to make each chair into like a chase lounge, so you can lie down, sunbathe, get your tan on, that sort of thing. Or you can move the Ottoman away and that can act as extra seating if you need that for that occasion. Also really cool. A lot of patio furniture sets, you'll notice they may have a table, but a lot of times they are really, really small. It's like those little bistro tables you barely have room to set two drinks on, much less, actual plates of food or, enough space for a crowd of people to put drinks or whatever on. This has a little bit bigger table. It's kind of like a coffee table sized. So that's gonna give you just a lot more space and a lot more options. I love the versatility of this piece. You are gonna find this is made out of PE wicker, so it's gonna be a lot stronger and more durable than regular wicker. It means it's gonna last so many more years. It is super easy to clean. All you do is just wipe it down. And as far as the cushions, which are super soft, 4 inches, I believe, they're very thick, very soft. To clean those, you can unzip the outside and machine wash them. So super easy. You guys, this is a really cool patio set or something for your lanai, your balcony, backyard, wherever. This is a great option. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be really happy that you